Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about recombinant DNA and how to read the bands in the agarose gel electrophoresis. So let's begin. First of all, we will see the definition of recombinant DNA. When two DNA of different species are joined together, so it makes the recombinant DNA. For example, here we have taken a DNA fragment of size 1 kb. It will be inserted into the plasmid DNA of bacteria. So, after inserting the insert or the DNA fragment into the plasmid DNA, it will form the recombinant DNA, as you can see here. So here the vector DNA is about 2 kilo base pair long, okay, and we have inserted this DNA fragment to the plasmid, so it becomes total 2 plus 1, 3 kilo base pair, okay. So here it is the recombinant DNA or recombinant plasmid. Now in order to insert this DNA fragment into the plasmid, we need to cut the plasmid with the restriction enzyme. Okay, this insert will be cut with the same restriction endonuclease as we are going to use here. We are going to cut at the EcoR1 site. So it is the cloning site. The site of plasmid where the insert or the DNA fragment will be inserted is called the cloning site. So if I use the EcoR1 restriction enzyme to cut the plasmid over here, then we can easily insert this DNA fragment here. So as you can see here, we have inserted the DNA fragment and it has become 2 plus 1, 3 kilo base pair. Now we want to get the agarose gel electrophoresis of this plasmid. So as you know, the principle of gel electrophoresis is that a smaller DNA fragment moves faster and the larger DNA fragment moves slower. So now what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to cut this recombinant plasmid with the BAM-H1 site. It is also the cleavage site for the restriction enzyme BAM-H1, and this site is present in the insert itself. Okay, so if we cut at this site, then we will get a fragment of what? 3 kilo base pair. Okay, so the band will be seen over here. As you can see here, at the 3 kilo base pair we are getting the band if we are cutting with the BAM-H1. Okay, so this first, in the gel electrophoresis, the first well is always the DNA ladder. It gives you the reference, okay, and the second, third and so on, that will be the testing wells. Okay, now if we are cutting this recombinant plasmid with BAM-H1 as well as HindIII, then what will be the result? If we cut over here, then we will get this fragment. Okay, we will get this much fragment from here to here. Okay, so 0.5 plus 0.2, we will get 0.7 kilo base. So the band will be observed near between 0.5 and 1, that is 0.7, and the second band, that is this much of band, which is of 2.3 kilo base, 1.5 plus 0.8, 2.3. So we will get the band over here. So if we are doing double digestion using HindIII and BAM-H1, as you can see here, I have written, we are using both the enzyme to cut this recombinant plasmid, so we will get this band. Okay, so as you know that the larger fragment moves slower, so this is the largest fragment, then this is the larger fragment, then this is the smallest fragment. So I hope you got the concept over here. It is the combination of recombinant restriction enzymes plus recombinant DNA technology and agarose gel electrophoresis. So in this way questions are asked in the exam. I hope you got the concept completely. That's all. I will be back in my next video. Till then, be happy and keep on studying. Thank you. Bye bye.